Look, a bird is slowly checking it out. Oh, and he is getting closer. Is he gonna take the bait? Is he gonna go for it? Going. He's looking around, making sure nobody's taking a video of him going to eat the African birdseed mix. He sees that I'm not taking a video, and he's going to, well, you get the idea. The birds are slowly making their way into eating the bird mix. We have like blue birds and yellow birds with different color tails, and of course, you know, the black ones you saw earlier. But they've got some colorful birds over here. So, oh,